wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Good morning, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I am Noah, and this is our Dream Again set. Are you ready to play blocks with me today? You see all those blocks there? Ooh, this is going to be exciting. Today, I'm going to teach you about colors and numbers. And with that lesson, we need some help with our truck. So let me get him. One moment. This is our mega block truck. He's going to help us with organizing and sorting all of these blocks by their color and by their numbers. Okay? So we're going to organize all of these blocks, right? By color. And we can already tell. We see blue ones, and we see purple ones, we see yellow ones, and orange, and green. I think those are it. We see a couple of special ones, but you will see what we'll be doing with that. So let's organize. It's the funnest thing to do. Okay. Blue. Okay. Blue. Yellow. Got a bunch of blues on this side and this side. So we decided blue is going to be all the way in front of here. So it can be first. Green, we can put green in the back here. Blue and blue and blue. Over there and there. It's blue! What is blue? My favorite color. Did you see how I organized all of my blocks? I organized them by color. We have blue all the way up front, which, yes, is my favorite color. And then we have orange, and we have green right here. And over there we have red and yellow. Oh, I forgot. We also have a purple stack right there. Now we have to do some counting because Mega Block is going to help us bring all of the blocks to our construction site. And in order for that to happen, we need to be able to count exactly how many blocks we have so he can carry them. And because only a specific amount of blocks fit into his truck, we need to know how many we can give him. So let's see. First, we need to empty out his truck right now. How do we do that? We press it with this lever right there. Oh, and then all of the blocks empty out. So we can put this one to the side since we don't need it. And we can put another one. Is there another one? Yeah, there's another one. And this one we won't need either. So we put those to the side. You see that? Okay. And then we press that lever back up again. Like that. Oh, it's stuck. Why is it stuck? Oh, there we go. Okay, and then we press that lever up again, and now we can actually fill the truck with our blocks. So let's start counting. Right there, we have 4 purple blocks. 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say that too? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple blocks. So up front here, we can do some more counting. These green blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God, that is a big number. Can you count to 12 already? I just did. I think that was the first time I counted to 12. Can you do that with me again? So let's look at these green ones. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, those are 12 blocks. I cannot believe that we counted together up until 12. You did an amazing job. Thanks, kids, for helping me out. So let's look at the red blocks. Okay, so right over there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. See, and I'm counting these here right over there. Oh, no, that's a green one. Sorry. Oh, that's another green one. Right there. These are the 4 blocks we have. We have 4 of them. Did you count them with me? Did you see that? Okay, so, and then of course we have different kinds of blocks. Mega block, can you move out of the way a little bit? Okay, let me help you. Doot, 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 doot. Oh, no, not too fast. Okay, so kids, right there we have, let me pull it out, we have individual red blocks. They look different and have a different shape than these blocks. Did you see the difference? They also have one, but you can stick it on 2 blocks. It has 1 attachment and it has 2 blocks you can put it on. Whereas these here, right here, they have 1 attachment. Oops, sorry. They have 1 attachment right here and they have 1 block to put it on. So that's the difference. So now, how about we do the orange ones? So those are a 4 block set. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. So we have 6 of a 4 block set. Let me show you. You see this one? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 block set. So on this we can attach 4 pieces and we can put it onto 4 pieces. Amazing, right? And of these we have 6 of them. So this is probably going to be our base, but that I'll show you in the next video. So let me put this aside again. And now which colors are we missing? Let me see. So we did red, we did green, and we did orange. So do you see the yellow ones over there? The yellow ones, we only have 4 individual pieces. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Which ones did we have 4 too? Oh, right, the purple ones. We had 4 of those too. So we have the same amount of purple as we do the yellow ones. It's just that they're a different shape. Do you see that? Good. Okay, so now let's do my favorite color, which is, yes, you guessed it, blue. Blue is my favorite color. I'm wearing a blue shirt, I have blue eyes, and those are the blue blocks. So let's count them, okay? Are you gonna help me? So let's start. Of the individual blocks right in the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, we've got 8 of them. Well, it's not as much of the green ones, but still, we have 8 blue blocks. Now you see also the ones in the very, very front. Those are special ones. They have a yellow wheel on them. And we're gonna do something very special with that. But I'm getting ahead of myself. But let's count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 special blocks. Now let's move on to those big blue blocks with a big yellow wheel on them. Of those, we have 2. Whoa, I wonder what we can do with that. Okay, so let's stack up the blocks into our truck and he's going to bring it to construction. And in next week's episode, you will see what we will going to be building with that. Okay, kids? So let me get started right now. And by the time we'll have transported all of these blocks to our construction site, we can get started. Bye, kids. See you next week.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.